Nobody's listening to me. Could you touch that silver antenna over there on the tracks and make those lights light up? Could you do that for me?
That was like almost a sentence.
Mm-hmm. Definitely answer you.
In trying to visit all the known haunted landmarks in the state of Indiana, I eventually found myself at the Big Tunnel in Tunnelton, Indiana. I was there with my dad, and by chance we actually had the tunnel all to ourselves, where I conducted a couple ITC sessions. We ran a digital recorder and a ghost box. The following EVPs in this video are not anywhere near close to being Class A, but I do believe that we caught some vocalization. Most notable is the name Henry Dixon, which does have historical significance to the Big Tunnel. Please enjoy.
Yeah, that's good. Alright, I'm gonna hit record here. So this recorder is voice activated. So it doesn't, it's not supposed to record anything unless it hears something. Yeah. Is there anybody in this tunnel that wants to come up and say hi to us?
Is there anybody in this tunnel that wants to come up and say hi to us?
Take a step. Anybody want to come say hello? There's a little red light on this silver device you can say hello into. I'm not really getting like a creepy vibe in here or anything. Or if you want to touch that silver antenna there on the railroad tracks, it'll make a noise and light up and let us know you're in here. It is quiet in here. Did you die in this tunnel?
Did you die in this tunnel?
Where are you at? Did you hear something?
No.
Are you down there?
Are you down there?
Wanna come closer and talk to us? Let's just play this back and see if it sounds like there's anything there. Man, that was kind of, I almost want to do that again.
That was definitely.
something. Alright, let's just do another real quick one before anybody comes in here. Did you come up and say hi to us? See, sometimes I'll just watch this thing and you know, it's always interesting when you are being real quiet and all of a sudden you see it start ticking. You're like, what the hell's it hearing? Can you tell me what your name is?
Can you tell me what your name is?
You saw that, right? We were being dead quiet. My name's Matthew. What's yours? This is my dad, Danny. You say hi to him?
My name's Matthew. What's yours? This is my dad, Danny. You say hi to him?
Picking up something.
Mm-hmm. What's the name of this tunnel?
What's the name of the tunnel?
How often do the trains come through here?
That's gonna get the trains piss you off.
Do the trains make you mad?
Do the trains make you mad?
If somebody's listening to me, could you touch that silver antenna over there on the tracks and make those lights light up? Would you do that for me?
Could you do that for me?
All right, this place, buddy.